Hello everyone, welcome to today's presentation. In today's presentation, we are going to tackle the following question. The area of a square farm is 14,400 meters squared. What is the perimeter of the square farm? So to tackle this question, we will first of all need to sketch the farm, which is a square farm. So what we need to know is that the length and the width of the square farm are all equal. So in this case, we will allocate an unknown variable x as the length, and x would also be the width of the square farm. So this is our farm. So we have been informed that the area of the farm equals to 14,400 meters squared. So in this case, we know that to calculate the area, we need to find the length multiplied by the width. This is what will give us 14,400 meters squared. But we know that our length is x meters and our width is x meters, which gives us 14,400 meters squared. If we simplify the left side of the equation, we will get x squared meters squared equals to 14,400 meters squared. So cancel the meters squared since they are common both sides, and for us to get the value of x, we will be expected to find the square root of both sides of the equation. So on the left side of the equation, we find the square root, and on the right side of the equation, we find the square root of 14,400. The square root of x squared is x, and the square root of 14,400 is 120. So having obtained the value of x, so we now know that the length of the farm is 120 meters and the width of the farm is 120 meters. So this means that the perimeter of the farm will be given by adding the distances all around the farm. So we can allocate the vertices of that farm unique numbers so that this will help us know how we are moving around the farm. So we have vertex A, B, C, and D. So the perimeter of this farm will be given by adding the length from A to B plus adding the length of from point B to C, then adding the length of point C to D, and then adding the final length of point D to A. So this will give us 120 meters plus 120 meters plus 120 meters plus 120 meters. So this is the same as having 4 multiplied by 120 meters, since the square has 4 sides and all the 4 sides are equal. So the total perimeter of this farm will be 480 meters. This brings us to the end of our presentation today. Looking forward to seeing you in our next presentation. Thank you.